fans, welcome to another video on the Rusty Boxcar channel. This is Q513. Captured this one on Wednesday, February the 17th. It was our 10th train of the day out of a total of 11. Started to snow a little bit again here. This is getting pretty late in the day. Really enjoyed watching this train come by. You see here a couple of the really long boxcars that you don't often see. Had some old Conrails up front. We're going to see some more Conrails here. Towards the rear, there are a couple of fallen flags of companies that I've actually never seen before. A couple from the West Coast and some different things. So all in all, just a really enjoyable manifest to watch roll by. I'm going to see some heavy haul cars come by as empties here in a second. And just a lot of different things that you don't see on a day-to-day basis. So hope you enjoy watching this one roll by, and we'll continue to edit and post videos that we took on this nice snow day. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.